In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make short form video in Adobe Premiere Pro. These can be used for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Let's get started. So I have a video in Premiere Pro, and it's on my timeline. This is a long form video, so it is currently 1920 by 1080. If I click on this clip, I can actually change this to a short form size by going up to Sequence Settings. I can just change the frame size here. So I actually need it to be 1080 by 1920. Click OK, and then click OK again. So now you can see this is a short form size, but the video doesn't fit correctly. So what I can do is select the clip again, go up to my effect controls. If you don't see effect controls, go to Window, Effect Controls. Now I can scale this clip. So in the little scale space under video, I can scale this up, and usually somewhere around 180 is the sweet spot to fill my screen with my long form video. And then if it's not straight, I can double click on the video and move it around. So I can move it where my face is in the screen. So that's how you make a YouTube short in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe for more design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks much.